So this is the Edition35 range of spray gun cleaners. What we have here today is the Edition35A, which is the water-based spray gun cleaner, single tank. And also over here we have the Edition35, which is the solvent-based cleaner, single tank. These machines are also available in twin tank models, Edition35T, which will cover your solvent-based and water-based cleaning together in one machine. The machines have automatic, manual wash and clean rinse washing facilities, an air blow gun on the side to help dry the spray gun, and also they come as standard with the inline filtration technology. Let's take a look at some of these key features. Inside the washing area, we have what we call our easy locate cradle for automatic washing. You can simply press down the cradle, position the spray gun on the cradle like so, attach your trigger clip, attach the whip line to the air side of the gun to protect the air side. If you're using traditional cups, you can then wash these cups over this jet here and the lid on here. You can then close the lid, turn the mode control valve to automatic, turn the timer on, and that will wash the spray gun through the inside and all over the outside. We also have manual flow through brush, which pumps out here to clean over the outside of the gun. We also have the clean rinse facility on here. And the air blow gun on the side. If you wish to blow through your spray gun into the box here, you can also do that to help protect you from splashback as well. Each Edition35 spray gun cleaner comes with the inline filtration system as standard. What this does is it continuously filters your cleaning solution underneath the machine through the automatic wash or the manual wash. That removes paint contamination down to 10 micron, keeping the fluid from that tank to this tank much cleaner, improving the cleaning performance of the machine, improving the efficiency for cleaning your spray guns, and it helps extend the life of the cleaning solution. One of our customers, Airbus, has an Edition35 spray gun cleaner with the inline filtration on, and they are saving 2,650 litres of solvent per year. The machine is built and manufactured in the UK with strong galvanised steel base, 304 stainless steel wash tank, non-magnetic, high-grade stainless steel that won't corrode or rust. Inside the heart of the machine is a diaphragm pump which will give you 5 years pump warranty and up to 20 litres a minute of fluid delivery. So let's talk about optional equipment with this Edition35 spray gun cleaners. On the water-based spray gun cleaner, we can offer the Pro-Tec Wash LV+, which is a water-based alternative to traditional cleaning solvents, which is a hybrid cleaner that will clean both solvent and water-based paint off the spray gun. This cleaner has good cleaning performance capabilities, which will enable you to clean both solvent and water-based paint off the spray gun, and has good longevity and life to the product. On average, customers are achieving up to 600 washes per 20 litres of this cleaning solution. That, combined with the filtration technology, enables you to reduce your VOC emissions by up to 80% through cleaning with this fluid. Other benefits of the Pro-Tec Wash fluid include health and safety benefits. The fluid is non-hazardous to health, so therefore it doesn't need any fume extraction, and there is very little risk for dermatitis exposure to the skin. Pro-Tec Wash LV+ has additional benefits in cost savings in that it will reduce the running costs versus traditional fluids by up to 50%. So optional equipment that is available on the solvent-based spray gun cleaner, the Edition35 or the Edition35T, is our solvent reduction valve, or our pneumatically operated blast gate valve. It's positioned and installed on top of the exhaust system of the machine. The purpose of this valve is to reduce the evaporation loss of your cleaning solvent due to mixing room extraction. It fully integrates into the safety features of the machine, so this allows simple operation. Every time you open and close the lid, the valve will also open and close in unison with the lid. By having the solvent reduction valve, blast gate valve installed on your solvent-based spray gun cleaner, you can reduce your mixer room extraction evaporation to virtually zero. If you'd like any further information on any of these products we've shown here today, please contact us or visit our website www.unic.co.uk, or you can email info@unic.co.uk or sales@unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.